Mga pusa. Prinsesa ba ng mga pusa? Clark? Created a world. Hello, Get Out. Hello, Get Out. Hello, Aris. Good evening. Ming Ming ba? Thank you for the follow, Aris. Hello, King Kong. King Kong. Hello, mga good evening to my new friend and beautiful host. Good evening. Grabe naman pa beautiful host pa. Yes, I have. Where you came from? I'm from Philippines, King Kong. And you? How about you? I'll be right back. Okay, Alpa. My pleasure. Good evening po. Creative. Oh, nice country. Yeah. Here in Philippines, there are so many beautiful island. Pwede kitang follow sa IG. No, hello. Thank you, GM. Thank you, GM12. Thank you so much. Here, especially here in Palawan. From US. Oh, it's a beautiful country also. You want to visit here in Philippines? Creating the world. If you have a plan to visit here in Philippines, um, try to visit also here in Palawan because there's so many island. There's so many beautiful places here. Hello, Daddy! Yay! Diyan na yung madaldal. May kausap na ako. Good evening. Where you visit here in Palawan? In Palawan, in Philippines. Kanina ka pa Bago lang. Bago-bago lang. Wala akong kausap eh. I've been there. Hello, Lucky Me. I've been there before. Where? Where you stay? Where you stay here in Philippines? You know Boracay? Yeah, I know Boracay. You been there? Kakauwi ko lang. Okay. Saan ka galing? Hello, Ma'am Marga. Kamusta ang Pandan Beach? Lalo and Butterfly gaya din ng Hiwahig. Maganda naman po. Pero hindi pa ako nakaano sa Pandan Beach eh. Yan, also, Bolinao, Pangasinan. Yan! It's it's the best place. Right? But, if you visit again here in Philippines, just try in Palawan. Here in Palawan. There's so many beautiful beaches here. Island. So try. Yes, yes. We can be friends. La la la. Hello. Parang dudugo na yung ilong ko. I feel like there's a blood here. There's a blood coming out from my nose. Thank you for the follow. Created the world. Can I up? Up where? I mean, guest live? No. Maybe later. Ilocana. How do you know? I'm Ilocana. Ano ganap today? Wala. Natapos na ako mag-live. Ay, mag-live. Mag-nails. Hello, Becky.